I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for the 21st of September, one day away from the equinox. The official arrival of fall is tomorrow night. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, from Fayette, the sky is clear. We'll go down south. There's a look at the campus of Troy University in Pike County, south of Montgomery. And in the Birmingham Metro at the insane hour of 5:06. That's traffic along Highway 280. Not many folks out, but we all know that will change. Check the water vapor satellite shot, and again, that nasty upper-high heat bubble centered right across the deep south. The westerlies remain to the north. They'll get down here at some point, but man, this summer just keeps on going and going and going. Goodness, look at the highs yesterday. Yeah, we're the heat bubble. Aside from the deserts in the southwest, we were it. Tuscaloosa hit 100 yesterday. Among others, Montgomery hit 100. I think Muscle Shoals hit 100. Birmingham hit 99. And that's pretty tough. But note the maximum temperatures up there in Canada. Some folks up there barely getting out of the 30s. In fact, there's a look at the numbers this morning. And you can see lows are in the 30s down through Montana and Idaho and Wyoming. It's just cold up there. But you can see the ridge nosing up with the warmer temperatures all the way to Chicago, where they've got 70 this morning. So again, slowly but surely we'll see the changes, but today not a lot. It's still going to be awfully hot today. Severe weather outlook is up north. Chicago is involved in that slight risk. And the QPF chart, that's another problem, getting dry. And this is suggesting just not much for the next 5 days. This valid through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. And that's basically telling us just 1/100th of an inch or so, just a trace. And now, the tropics. Igor is kicking out. We have a new tropical storm in the eastern Atlantic by the name of Lisa. That is a little west of the Cape Verde Islands, and a tropical wave in the Caribbean that bears watching. Lisa out there is just going to meander around for 5 days and not do much. Hurricane Center basically keeps it east of 40 West as a tropical storm all the way through the weekend, so not going to worry about that one too much. This is what's going to catch our attention is all of this homegrown stuff down here. Notice the wave coming through the Windward Islands, and that is going to have to be watched, as you'll see. Let's look at the GFS, the latest run that I have. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock today at 500 millibars. Ridging here. Down below that, yes. Yeah, come on now. You know the deal. Sunny and hot again today. The GFS is printing a high of 96. Tuscaloosa might make another run at 100. And again, there could be a storm out there today, but like the last 4 or 5 days, they'll be very, very isolated. Here's tomorrow. Same thing. Numbers come down a little bit. The GFS is printing 93, and on Thursday, the GFS shows 92. At least we're moving in the right direction. And again, those numbers probably pretty close to being correct. Strong surface low up there over the high plains. On Friday, the surface low moves northeast into Canada. There's a trailing front down through St. Louis and Amarillo. But again, around here, not much change. And there's Saturday starting off the weekend. Note that strong wave over the Great Lakes. Down below that, the surface front is kind of hanging around here, but just not a lot of rain showing up with that. And then Sunday, that wave that was over the Great Lakes dives south, forming a trough over the east. And down below that, the surface boundary pushes down below Montgomery, and the air should be a little cooler. The GFS is showing a high of 86 on Sunday. And then Monday of next week, look at the upper low just northeast of us, and down below that, we're dry, and we should be cooler. In fact, the GFS is printing 82 on Monday. So while I can't promise you much rain, at least the temperatures by early next week should be much more comfortable, assuming this is correct. And there's Tuesday of next week. Looks pretty pleasant. And yeah, we see that tropical low that's sitting over the island of Cuba. And remember, this is in voodoo country now as we go deeper. This is Wednesday of next week. Now, this run wants to lift it north, obviously, with a trough over the east. It would not get up in the Gulf. There's the 30th. stays offshore. And on the 1st of October, the tropical system is just east of Cape Cod. And then on the 2nd of October, it starts to kick out. So if this is right, that would give us some nice relief with cooler air. That's the pattern change we've talked about, but the trough position would keep this east of here. And then on the 6th of October, another tropical system shows up east of the Bahamas. Again, we're dry and pleasant. So again, this will change. The next run could show this thing coming up in the Gulf, maybe affecting Tampa Bay or Panama City. We just don't know that yet. But something obviously is up down there. And remember, the Gulf has been untouched basically all year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.